Working forward on this, we can also talk about other key approaches, such as the need to build capacity. And there is a clear need to build capacity within all our countries to move forward ocean sustainability and to have local voices be represented in each of these conversations. And an example of this is the Marine Conservation Action Fund by the New England Aquarium. And this organization brings together local leaders and emerging local leaders from low-income and middle-income countries working on marine conservation and sustainability. And support is given to them, networking is provided to them as well, finance as well, in order for these projects to move forward. And we can be talking about projects ranging from manatee conservation to hammerhead shark conservation, amongst many others. In this same line, it's important to recognize that cross-sectoral collaboration is key as we move forward. And this is, for example, clear in the Chesapeake Bay program in the United States that has been running since 1983. And in this program, multiple stakeholders come together, including federal governments, local governments, nonprofit institutions, and academia, in order to raise the visibility and management approaches for the Chesapeake Bay, and looking at different management strategies, for example, in terms of securing sustainable fisheries and livelihoods through aquaculture, for example, and also looking at endangered species and water quality, and bringing all these components together through a multi-sectorial approach and coordination system. Moving forward, it's also important for us to recognize success. So the Blue Solutions program, for example, is a clear example of this, in which it recognizes solutions that are working for the ocean, and for each of these solutions, it identifies key building blocks. What are the main building blocks and components of each of these different sustainability solutions that are working well in each country? And from there, networking takes place and knowledge exchange takes place for other people to not just adapt the solutions, but learn about these key components or building blocks and adapt them to their own places. So scaling up successful initiatives is also key as we move forward with ocean sustainability. And finally, it's important for us to highlight the value of translating science into management, into policy, into education. The need to recognize that both top-down approaches and bottom-up approaches are extremely important as we move forward with sustainability. And finally, recognize that if we want to move forward with ocean sustainability, it's not just important for us to understand the key issues that the ocean faces and the importance that the ocean faces, but also for us to build public momentum, ownership, and engagement in order to develop sustainability practices.